Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your girl Simple Sassy. So today I am going to make a hair growth stimulator. So here with me I have a combination of oils. I have with me avocado oil, coconut oil, argan oil, and even castor oil, along with a shea butter that I will be mixing together to arrive at this beautiful oil that I will be using for my hair growth. I purchased these oils from Jay's Warehouse Craft Supply. She's located in Montego Bay. She has an Instagram page where you can go over and check out her oils. They're affordable, guys. So if you're interested, all the details will be placed in the description below. So here in my hand I have the avocado oil, and you know what the avocado oil can do. The avocado oil contains a lot of benefits and properties that can be used for your skin, your hair, and even your nails. The castor oil. So the castor oil is good for damaged hair, repair damaged hair, and even good for hair loss. And this one is the argan oil, and you know what the argan oil is used for. The argan oil is used mainly for moisturizing and conditioning because it contains fatty acid. I don't normally use argan oils, but I do use products that contain argan oil. Here I have with me the Shea Butter. The Shea Butter is a great product. I normally use it in skincare products to treat my stretch mark. I know it is good for your skin, and I know it will be good for your hair. It treats damaged hair, repair lost, and even moisturize the hair. And finally, this is my homemade coconut oil. Guys, I choose to buy the homemade coconut oil because the ones that they have in the stores, they contain salt, so I choose to use this one. Now that I have explained the benefits of these products, let us get right into this video. So first, I will microwave a portion of my shea butter to have it in a liquid form. Once I have done that, I can now go ahead and mix the different oils together. Each oil contains an ounce. I'll be using half of each bottle.